How to find the source of strange household noises. Have you ever been peacefully relaxing at home when suddenly you hear a mysterious noise? It might be a faint creak, a bang, or a high-pitched hum. Those sounds can be puzzling and a little unsettling. But don't worry, most strange noises in your house have simple explanations. The first step is to pay close attention to when and where these sounds happen. Notice if they occur at certain times of the day or night, or if they happen more often in specific rooms. Keeping a small notebook or voice recorder nearby can help you track patterns and identify clues. Start by listening carefully around your home. If you hear a creak in the evening, it could be your house settling as temperatures drop. Houses naturally shift and settle over time, especially in wooden frames or drywall. These noises are usually harmless but can sound quite loud. Next, check your windows and doors. Gaps or worn weather stripping can cause whistling or humming sounds, especially when wind blows. Inspect these areas visually for cracks or loose seals. Sealing gaps with weather stripping or caulk can often quiet these noises. Plumbing is another common source of strange sounds. Pipes can bang or gurgle, especially if air gets trapped or if water flow changes suddenly. Water hammer is a loud banging sound when faucets or appliances turn off quickly. To fix this, you might need to install or adjust pipe supports or water hammer arresters. HVAC systems can also produce noises like rattling, buzzing, or whistling. These sounds often come from loose parts, imbalanced fans, or airflow issues. Regular maintenance like cleaning filters and tightening screws can help. If the noise persists, a professional technician can check for problems. Electrical components sometimes make high-pitched ringing or buzzing sounds. These could signal loose wiring or malfunctioning devices. If you hear such noises, turn off the related circuit breaker and carefully inspect outlets and electrical panels. If the sound continues or you notice flickering lights or burned smells, call a licensed electrician immediately. Appliances like refrigerators or washing machines can also produce unusual noises if they are old or malfunctioning. Moving or replacing noisy appliances might be the best solution if they disturb your peace. External sounds can sometimes seem like they are coming from inside your house. Traffic, barking dogs, or yard work outside can be amplified by your home's structure. Upgrading to double pane or insulated windows can help block out these external noises. Large open rooms with hard surfaces like tile or hardwood floors tend to echo, making sounds seem louder. Adding soft furnishings such as rugs, curtains, or upholstered furniture can absorb sound and reduce echoes. To find the exact source of a strange noise, start by walking through your home when the sound occurs. Turn off or unplug appliances one at a time to see if the noise stops. Check windows and doors for drafts or loose seals. Listen near plumbing fixtures and HVAC units. Carefully inspect electrical outlets and panels for signs of trouble. If the noise is loud, persistent, or linked to safety concerns like electrical buzzing or gas smells, seek professional help right away. Approaching these noises as puzzles can make the process more interesting. Most of the time, they have simple, logical causes rooted in everyday household systems. With a little patience and some basic checks, you can usually identify and fix the problem yourself. Remember, safety first. If anything seems dangerous or out of the ordinary, don't hesitate to call in a professional. Solving these mysteries can turn your home into a more peaceful and comfortable place to live.